Oh my god. This is probably all you can hear. It's me rapidly tapping. And getting tired because Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I am in front though. I thought it was going to be a bit harder. It is a little bit. I have to tap this pretty goddamn far. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, Banjo. You can do it. You can do it. This sounds probably horrible. I apologise for that. I really do apologise, but I'm nearly there. Nearly there. I did it. I did it. Oh, yes, that feels so good. Welcome back to the continuing adventures of... Oh, I'm drowning. No, I'm drowning. Help me. Okay, I'm okay. It's okay. Oh, get out. Right, what do we do now? Oh, this is a maze. It's really a maze. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of running around. Like, I can't go up there because there's a big old rock. Get out of here. This game's crazy. It's so crazy. Oh, it's TNT. Oh, this looks safe. This looks very safe. Okay, you're not gonna throw it at me now. Everything will blow up. Oh, okay. Bleep. I'm trapped in this mine by that blocked tunnel. Bleep. What? What do you mean? Oh, I see. Can I use the new eggs, do you reckon? How do I shoot? No, not like that. Okay. Come on, I can shoot him. No. I can't shoot straight. How did that not do it? How? I don't understand. How do I do this? Ow! Screw you. Screw you! How is these eggs are useless. What did they even do? Did they do anything? What's the point in this water? What is the point in this water? Can I ask a question? What's the point of this water? Can I not, like... How do I set this on fire? How do I... Oh, I can shoot like this. Why does that not set things on fire? These eggs are useless. How do I get out of here? Right. What do I even do? What do I even do? Jump, 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 jump! Oh my god, oh my god. This is awful. This is just plain awful. How do I charge again? Ugh. He's still trapped in this box. How do I do it? Bleep. So helpful, like, I don't even know. I'm doing well. We've made a lot of progress in the last 2.5 minutes. It's been good. It's been good. Alright, let's go. I'm going to sneeze again. I haven't even sneezed yet. I didn't sneeze in the last episode, even though I said I would. Alright, let's go to Mumbo. What's that Wumbo up there? Mumbo Wumbo. Ah. I'm gonna do something. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know where I'm going right now. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what the hell I'm doing or where I'm going. I liked Banjo-Kazooie. Ow! The dude full on punched me. There you go. Oh, he dropped one. The other one didn't. Can I get up? Oh, I can. Wumba Wumbo. What's her name? Wumba? Wumba's Wigwam. Hello, lady. Can I talk? Hello! You have Globo. Want to give to Humba? Sure. I don't know what it does. Sure, I'll just throw it in. Oh, it transforms me, right? Magic ready. Jump in Wumba pool. What am I going to turn into? Someone mentioned in the comments last time that the Wumba like jump. There he goes. He jumps out. I didn't even realise. What the hell am I? What is this? Oh, detonator. Oh my god. This is amazing. This is cool. Why? These are the weirdest transformations ever. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this game's strange. This game's straight up strange. I like it. Anyone excited for ukulele as much as I am? Like, I know it's ages away, but still. This is gonna work. Look at this. Oh my god, this is amazing. This really is cool. Do 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 a la ba ba da da ba. Can I go into the water? Apparently I can. Cool. Well, I like this. Look at these little hoppy backpacking ways. This is cute. I like it. Alright. So this guy's gonna be trapped, right? And hopefully we're gonna follow him through. Oh look, there's a little broken minecart thing. Minecart thing? It's not really a minecart, it's one of those, I don't even know what they're called. I know what I'm talking about. You saw it, maybe. I said it a bit late. Oh, you not good enough. Here we go. Did that just hurt me? Okay, I have to do it in the right spot, otherwise it just hurts me. Sweet! I see. Did that? Oh, I thought that rock just fell on the track. Is this even got wheels? What are you? Is he free? You free to go? He is. It's all good. You've escaped. Congrats. Let's go see him. Let's go wish him a happy freedom. Happy Freedom Day to you, Mr. Oh, the shovels are after me. I don't know if I like this. Oh crap. I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. Now that door's not open on the other side. Bleep. What? What door's not open? Humber magic not work if go through there. Only bear and bird can leave. Ugh. So I have to... Can I just turn back without having to... Get out of here. Is there a way to turn back? Yeah, I know that. Well, I still want to go. Can I not, like, just turn back? Is there no way? This is a weird squidgy box. I don't think there's a way, so I'm going to go back and then come back. Because that's what we all want to do in a game. And I don't know if this even is the tune. Maybe. Oh, I can't stop sniffing. I can't stop eating chocolate. I'm going to be sick. I'm literally going to be sick. Come on. Oh, you missed. You missed, sucker. I need to blow open that thing. Well, I'm not going to blow it open. Do I literally have to go all the way back? This is lame. This is lame. I don't like it. Can I... I'm going to go through that door first. See what's in there. I'm going to have to... Oh, look at that jump. Look at that jump. I'm a high jumper. Extraordinaire. Olympic gold medal to me. Little detonator banjo. Oh. Canary cave? This is weird. That is ugly. I need you to help me out of this frightful predicament. I know, you're ugly. Who might you be? I'm Canary Mary, okay. He used to send me down the mines to check for gas. If I died, they'd know it wasn't safe. No. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna die. I'll get Kazooie here to smash the cage open. Yeah, okay. I have to come back for you. Sorry, sir. Oh, you actually need air in here. That's quite cool. I quite like that. Nice attention to details. Ow! Okay, I can't die. I'm gonna die. This is it. This is the end. Come on, get up. There we go. Couldn't even get in the door. I could have been blimmin' teleported, couldn't I? Oh well. Here we go. Back to Banjo, please. Thank you. Look at that backflip. Every time you have to do a backflip. It's like I was playing Crash Bandicoot and someone mentioned how like Crash just loves doing front flips. And he does. He just does front flips all over the place. I should have opened the cage. Let's go open the cage. Let's do it. Let's jump. Yeah, I made it. I don't know how long this is going to take. The first level took us like nearly an hour, didn't it? This is going to probably take us just as long, to be fair. Is this going to... No. Is this going to bust open? There we go. You're free. It's moments like this that make adventuring worthwhile. Ah, shut up, Banjo. Ain't got a jiggy. What a jerk. There goes the bird. We didn't even get a jiggy from it. That's lame. Where's she going? Where you going? Where you off to? Gonna help us? Gonna do something? Or are you just buggering off? She literally buggering off. That's what it looks like. Oh no, wait. She's going around the corner to where the mine was. Jesus. Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing there? Does the little explodey box, will that blow up rocks? Like, is that a thing? Or will I just die trying it? I reckon I might die trying it, to be honest. But I probably have to try it first. I'm just gonna go into that area, and then I can try it off screen. If it doesn't work, I'll die. There we go. Problem solved. Hello, lady. Right, I'm gonna talk to her first. Actually, I'm gonna get this first. God damn. Nearly just carried on without, like, getting any help. Oh wait, I got full health. Well, that was a waste. Jesus! Did I have less health as the bloody detonator? That's what it was. Hey there, Canary Mary, why are you still around? Oh, my wings are still a bit stiff from spending so long in that cage. How about a race to help me stretch them? Really? Sure was broken when I saw it last. It was, but I fixed it and put it back on the track. Okay. Let's do it. Jump aboard if you fancy go. Of course I do. Simply tap A as fast as you can. Okay. Easy. Let's do it! I want to race! You're gonna hear rapidly tapping buttons. I'm sorry about that. 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. Sorry about this. Sorry. Very sorry. But look at this. She doesn't stand a chance. Doesn't stand a chance. Suck on it, bird. Suck it, Mary. You suck. Look at this. Okay, I'm getting tired now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm getting quite tired. Getting quite tired. I can do this. I can win. I don't see where she is. I must be winning. Look, where is she? Oh, there she is. Look. Oh, I'm well ahead. So far ahead. She can't even eat my dust. Eat my sparks. Look at this. Go, Banjo. You crazy. There's a Jinjo. There's a Jinjo. Why did you grab the Jinjo? Should have grabbed it. Oh my god, I'm going so fast. Imagine if I fell off the tracks because I was going too fast. This is fun. Kind of. It's like a Mario Party minigame. Where the hell is... There she is. I did it! Look at that! You got owned! You birdie twat! And a sniff for good measure. Because I got a cold. I did it! That was easy. What did I get for it? Wow. I think we beat you there, Mary. Well, I guess you can have this shiny thing I found before I got locked in that cage. Why don't you just give it to me for letting you out? It might not be. Can't remember what it is. It's been under my wing for days. Oh, gross. It's a Jiggy! Yay! What a race that was. Yeah, sure was. My wings are starting to feel better. How about racing back again? Oh god, really? Do I get anything for it? Ow! Screw you! Jerk! Saw I was winning races and punched me. Did you hire him to take me out? Get out of here! Let's do it. Alright, okay, let's quickly do it before the end of the episode. Oh! Sorry about that, guys. There we go. Did I get anything different? Oh my god, she's just buggered off. She's buggered off. She's going faster. Oh my god, this is going to be hard. Oh wow. Come. Get the Jinjo! Get the Jinjo, Banjo! What are you doing? Oh my god, this is probably all you can hear. It's me rapidly tapping and getting tired because Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, I am in front though. I thought it was going to be a bit harder. It is a little bit. I have to tap this pretty goddamn far. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, Banjo, you can do it. You can do it. This sounds probably horrible. I apologise for that. I really do apologise, but I'm nearly there. Nearly there. I did it. I did it. Oh yes, that feels so good. Cut that all out. Cut it all out. Holy crap. I'm tired now. I'm quite tired. That's 2 out of 2 for us, Mary, you twat. Piece of paper. Ah, it's wedged in your what? We don't want to know. I think I spent quite enough time in this gloomy old mine. I'm off to swoop and soar among the clouds. Bye-bye, friends. Perhaps we'll see each other again. I'd rather not. You're kind of creepy. Just gonna fly out. Sweet. I thought that's what I was gonna do originally. There we go. We did it. We beat a bird. Yay! I'll see you next time on the continuing adventures of Loser Quest, where we will beat some games. Bye-bye!